Hey there, future entrepreneurs and freedom seekers. Are you ready to take control of your career and lifestyle? Have you dreamed of being your own boss and setting your own hours? Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to work from anywhere. The world of virtual assistants might be your answer. It's a growing field with endless opportunities. Virtual assistants are in high demand. Companies of all sizes are looking for skilled individuals to help streamline their operations. Businesses need help with administrative tasks, social media, customer service, and so much more. Your skills can make a real difference. The best part? You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether it's a beach, a coffee shop, or your cozy home office. As a virtual assistant, you become a vital part of a team. You collaborate with clients and colleagues from around the world. You're the behind-the-scenes superhero, making sure everything runs smoothly. Your organizational skills and attention to detail are invaluable. No more office commutes or boring meetings. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a flexible schedule. You get to choose clients and projects that light you up. Work on what you're passionate about and make a real impact. Ready to dive in? The world of virtual assistants is waiting for you. Let's do this together and create the career of your dreams. What are you amazing at? Take a moment to think about your unique strengths and talents. Do you love organizing, writing, or social media? These are just a few examples of skills that can be incredibly valuable. These skills are gold in the virtual assistant world. They can set you apart and make you highly sought after. Start by making a list of your talents. Write down everything you're good at, no matter how small it seems. What software programs do you know? Familiarity with different tools can be a huge advantage. What tasks do you enjoy? Identifying what you love to do can help you find the right niche. Next, research popular virtual assistant services. Look into what's in demand and where your skills fit best. Do you see yourself as a social media manager, a customer service whiz, or maybe a bookkeeping guru? Each role has its own unique set of responsibilities. Think about where you can excel and what excites you the most. Remember, you don't have to be an expert in everything. Focus on what you do best. Choose 2 to 3 core services to start. This will help you build a strong foundation. This helps you market yourself clearly and attract the right clients. By honing in on your strengths, you can create a compelling profile that stands out. Working from home is awesome, but it requires discipline and a dedicated workspace. Choose a quiet corner in your home. Invest in a comfortable chair, a spacious desk, and good lighting. Keep your office tidy and organized. This helps you stay focused and productive. Consider adding personal touches that inspire you, like plants, artwork, or vision boards. A dedicated workspace puts you in the right mindset for success. Building your online presence is like setting up your virtual storefront. Start with a professional website. Make sure to showcase your services, testimonials, and contact information. Social media is also key, so choose platforms where your ideal clients hang out. Create engaging content that highlights your expertise. Share tips, insights, and even some behind-the-scenes glimpses of your work. Networking is crucial too. Join Facebook groups and online communities for virtual assistants. Connect with potential clients and collaborators. Ready to find your first clients? Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience. Apply for jobs that match your expertise. And don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly. Send personalized emails explaining how your services can help them grow. Word of mouth is powerful. Let friends and family know you're open for business. You never know where your next amazing client will come from. Communication is key to your success. As a virtual assistant, you must ensure that your communication is clear, concise, and timely. This helps in building trust and maintaining a professional relationship with your clients. Respond to emails and messages promptly. Timely responses show that you are reliable and dedicated to your work. It also helps in keeping the workflow smooth and efficient. Be proactive in asking questions and clarifying expectations. This ensures that you understand the tasks at hand and can deliver exactly what the client needs. It also shows that you are engaged and committed to providing quality service. Mastering time management is essential. Prioritize your tasks and allocate specific time slots for each activity. This helps in meeting deadlines and managing multiple clients efficiently. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and project management apps to stay organized. These tools help you keep track of your tasks and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Always deliver exceptional service by being organized and prepared. Go above and beyond for your clients. Exceeding their expectations can lead to positive feedback and repeat business. It also helps in building a strong professional reputation. Remember, happy clients lead to referrals and long-term success. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend your services to others, helping you grow your business. Becoming a successful virtual assistant takes effort and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. The more you invest in your skills and client relationships, the more successful you will become. You'll enjoy freedom, flexibility, and the satisfaction of building a business you love. Working as a virtual assistant allows you to create a work-life balance that suits your lifestyle, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere.